Hey everyone. So Shaun T announced on our National Coach Call yesterday that the sequel to the Insanity workout, Insanity the Asylum, is being released in March. So to help you get ready for the release of the Asylum, I wanted to run a promotion for the month of February. Anybody who orders a Shakeology Home Direct from me in the month of February, I am going to send a free copy of the Insanity workout, Fast and Furious. So you get working on your insides, and I will help you get your outsides ready for the new program, Insanity, the Asylum. You can place your Shakeology Home Direct orders through my site, www.hardcoremama.com. But once you do so, you need to contact me and let me know. This way I can get your mailing address and get the Fast and Furious DVD sent out to you. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Thanks so much. Have a great day.